Hi everyone, welcome to Research and Analysis. If you need to present somewhere and along with your slides you want to show a YouTube video to your audience, then rather than open that video in a separate browser, you can add it in your PowerPoint slides. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to add a YouTube video in your slides. Suppose these are the slides and we want to add a video over here. What we'll need to do is just go to insert option, just click it, and from here you can see the option of video. Just click it and from here you can see the online video, and here you can just add your YouTube video link. I have already copied that link, so when you insert it you will see this particular video. Just to make sure this is the correct one which you want to add in your slide, and just click insert. Once you're done with insert of the video, that video will start appearing here, and from here you can change the size as per your requirements. So when you will play the slides, so it will be like this, and from here you can just simply click it and the video will
Welcome to
start
Research
working.
and Analysis. In today's tutorial, I am going to tell
So I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.